me see. What languages would you say are primarily used for cybersecurity? I believe John Taylor is talking about programming languages. What
Okay.
programming languages have you seen,
The
Chris?
main the main one I've seen is mainly like Python and what's that AWS one? What's it called? I forgot the name of it, but I do know Python. I know they use Python a lot. I forgot what that one was called. JSON? Was it called JSON?
Might be.
Yeah, something like
Might
that.
be.
Yeah, but that I don't really, to be honest with you, I don't deal with too much of the programming stuff. Like I said, on the compliance side, that's what I do. But I do see Python stuff like that, but I don't really know too much about what's going on in the language.
Python is used quite a bit. No, let me back up. So I do not use this in my job. It's not a job requirement for me to know programming. I'm not a programmer whatsoever. Anytime I do HTML code, I have to Google how to do a link again. I forget. But that said, like being in this field for quite some time and working with other cybersecurity professionals, Python is used, like Chris just said, Python's used quite a bit in our because we're having to send large amounts of data from this system to that system, or we need to format a whole bunch of data at once from this system to this database over here. And so we normally have a cybersecurity guy or an IT guy on who's there, and we'll consult with them, and then they'll devise something. But usually it's PowerScript. Scripting language is not really a language per se, but scripting would be PowerScript, Python, JSON is another one. I don't even know if that's a language. And
I'm not
then
sure. I'm not
somebody
sure on
mentioned,
that. I'm not sure on that.
regex. Let me see here. Other questions. Okay, I don't know if we did you work at USCG? Oh, U.S. Coast Guard.
Oh, not
Uh,
me.
I've never worked in Coast Guard. I worked for Air Force at one time, DOD, Army, not the Coast Guard, a little bit of the Navy, and that's about it. Let me see. And then some security experts said in the cloud, it's the cybersecurity AI related area. It's definitely Python. I have to agree. And PowerShell, yeah.
And
Those are the ones
PowerShell.
that, yeah, even right now, that's one of the things. We're working with another part of our team, our information security engineers. They've got some coding skills. And so we'll talk to them. And those guys are using Python mainly and a little bit of PowerScript.